So with me today, Karina and Nikita, and today they are here. They will discuss on one point. About nowadays we eat oftenly fast foods, okay, also as well as bakery foods. So here the question arises that what do you think about how should we prevent to eat this junk food? Okay, nowadays children addicted towards this fast food. So can we use this one trick that amount should be increased on fast food? Okay, understood. My question is here, can we increase money on fast food or bakery foods? What do you think about that? Is it okay or wrong? If money increase, if prices increase, then what will happen? And prices didn't increase, then what will happen? You have to talk about it. Okay, understood. So on which side would you like to talk? What do you think? The amount
I
should
think
amount
amount shouldn't increase on junk food.
Okay, amount shouldn't increase. What do you think about amount?
Amount should
Increase.
increase on junk food.
Okay, so your question arises that should amount increase on junk food or not? Okay, should amount increase on junk food or not? Okay, so yes, you have to discuss here. Okay, it's a debate session. Now you have to start.
I think amount should be increased on junk food because junk food is very harm for our body. Also, when children eat junk food, they are like the taste, but their parents can't afford the price. So I think junk food is not required.
Yes, I completely agree to your sentence that junk food is harmful for our body, but sometimes we need it because sometimes we think that sometimes we want to eat spicy or spicy snacks or chatpati snacks to eat. We wish to eat that snacks, but we can't cook this properly in home. So we need that shops like bakery shops or stalls that stalls we can get easily this food. So I don't think that money increase on junk food, because if money increase on junk food, then a common man can't buy that food. So I don't think that money increase on junk food.
Yes, you are correct. But in city area, there are many bachelors, girls or boys live. They eat canteen food or hotel food, and they eat daily food. Then they had health issues like food poisoning. In like outside food, they eat pizza, burger, vada pav, or Chinese bell. In that food, their ingredients they include some food color, or they harmful for our body. So I think junk food it's require I think junk food I think should be tax or amount increase or junk food.
Yes, you are right that in city area there are so many bachelors lives in the city area. Some bachelors don't know how to cook food, or how to cook food. So that's why they can go in the bakery shops or stalls, and they can eat on that stall. They can also go in hotels or restaurants to eat some food. So that's why I think money shouldn't increase on junk food. If money increase on junk food, then that bachelor can afford that food, and it will not good for them. Also, sometimes suddenly guests came in our house, so we don't have time to cook food. That time, these stalls and shops help us. We can buy food from that stall and serve to guests. So it saves time as well as money. So that's why I think money shouldn't increase on junk food.
Yes, you are correct. But the bakery or junk food is tasty, but this is not good for our health. When we make or our home, then the food is very tasty and it too very delicious. And also when we make food in our home, then childrens like the food most, and also our money is saved. So I think should tax be increased in junk food?
Yeah, but yeah, you are right. But sometimes we think that sometimes we don't have sometimes we don't like to cook food, and that time this shop helps us. We can go in hotels or restaurants. If our child have that wish that he want to go in hotel or restaurant, so that time these hotel and restaurants are very good, and we can go at that restaurants or hotels. We can fulfill our child's wish. So that's why I think money shouldn't increase on junk food or hotels.
Yes, you are correct. But parents purchase junk food, then child like the taste, and he again and again demanding to buy junk food, and then parents can't afford again the junk food, and they daily eat. Then they are harmful for children's body. So I think junk food is very harm for our body.
Yeah, you are correct. Just like coin have two sides, one is head and second is tail. That This is same like junk food or hotel food have good side as well as bad side. Bad side. If we if we think that we don't want to eat food regularly, then it will not harmful for our body. But as you said, if we eat that food regularly, then it will harmful to our body.
And what do you think about that? Means should price increase on fast food or not? You write your opinion in comment box and share. And thanks for watching this video. Once again, thanks.